Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny. That makes us together, Kendra and the Bunnies. Thanks for streaming my newest album.
Here we go again. Try my luck at this hand.
If you've subscribed, you definitely get the gist. If you haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you always get a notification whenever I post a new video or music video. Today we have a product review. This is the Moisturize and Refresh Overnight Revitalizing Sleeping Mask. It's got some really good ingredients. It's by the brand Madeca Derma. Madeca Derma Revitalizing Sleeping Mask. It's going to target our skin and nourish, refresh, moisturize. You can use this overnight, or if you're like me, I like to moisturize throughout the entire day. So I'll put this on in the evening and just keep it on all evening. But this is perfect for doing treatments for the skin. Some of the ingredients are glycerin, water, I see some peptides, hyaluronic acid, royal jelly extract that is so good for the skin, hydrolyzed collagen, soluble collagen, and tocopherols. Oh, and there's a tello collagen. That is 3 different types of collagen. Some root extract, pollen extract, squalene from plants, propolis extract, that is honey propolis extract, that's going to be antiseptic as well. And then there's some other good stuff in here. This is in an opaque container, so that means the ingredients are going to stay fresh for longer because they're not subjected to any sunlight, any light, etc. like that. So this is going to keep all the nutrients in there. This is made in Korea. That means it's K beauty. We love K's here. My name's Kendra. Okay, cool. So it comes with a little spatula. Love that. It's bouncy, so it means it has good hydration to it. Ooh. Oh, yeah. So we're just gonna go in there with our spatula and go directly onto the face. Right now on my face, I have a little bit of hyaluronic acid and some eye cream. I just cleansed and did a toner. So here we go with our spatula. And the mask, you know, when it has this gel-like jello consistency, that's the moisture in it just like sticking together. So that means it's going to be super hydrating for the skin as well. And I love the gel base because I have, if you can tell, a little bit of this keeps me young. But I have combination skin. I want to keep my skin moisturized, but at the same time I don't want to clog my pores, and so this type of thing is perfect. I've got a full layer on my skin and I'm ready to relax. So look, this is how it looks post application. Beautiful.